All right, Rob Fraser here. Wanted to do a quick progression, money progression. If I was broke starting over again in affiliate marketing, how to go about joining the programs in my mainstream marketing system, if you will. And what I mean by mainstream, I mean non-crypto. Basically, I have a crypto retirement plan that I promote on the back end. But this is for the folks who, number one, don't want to get into crypto, and number two, just want something simple and basic to make money online. That's not hard to set up. You don't need anything, you don't need to be techie or anything like that. So, a couple of things. Here in my six-figure back office, six-figure blueprint back office, um, all you simply do is on the main, where it says dashboard, you come down here, you click on my links, and that's where you get all these screens. You click on categories, and so the first category is basically marketing my six-figure blueprint, and the second category is the multi-stream system. So, six-figure blueprint has a number of levels now. TJ introduced a couple of different levels. There is a free level, which is just the free funnels themselves. You can get the marketing system. Then you can get the six-figure blueprint with all of his classes. He has, and he also has two higher levels. But I'm just going to focus on the first two levels. And I wish my cat, who's hungry, would be quiet. Okay, I'll feed you when I'm done with my video. Sorry. So I live on a farm with 11 animals, so drives me bonkers sometimes. But the three levels I want to talk about is basically actually only two levels. You can join for free, but it's very, very limited. And after a while, you will be able to earn $25 commissions at the free level. TJ hasn't implemented that yet. The six-figure marketing system is $150 total. $150, no monthly fees, no share codes. All you do is log in the back office, get your capture page, and start sending traffic to it, to which I help you get traffic. Very simple, very straightforward. The six-figure library, $400. These are one-time shots. You don't have to pay every single month, not $50 a month, not $27 a month. Nothing wrong with that, but I've been in situations where I can't afford any monthly payments. I just need something that will get me going. I can get some cash flow, and then when I have some cash flow, then I can do the monthly things. So six-figure marketing system, one time 150, six-figure library. That's that social media training that I swear by. It's $400 one time. At the six-figure marketing system level, you can earn instant $100 commissions. At the $400 level, you can earn instant $300 commissions. Those commissions are chunky enough. I've sold programs to where you get $6, $20 per sign up. And it takes a lot of $6 and a lot of $20 is to get to a place to where you're earning decent money. But here, if you get $100, yeah, that's a nice chunky amount. And what I do with the money, I get $100, $50 into traffic, $50 in my pocket. I followed that general plan since I started online. $400 level, you get $300 commissions, $150 into traffic, $150 in your pocket. Later on, I would do $100 into traffic, $100 in my pocket, $100 into my crypto trading account, and just grow what I'm doing online just like that. So what I would say, if you're brand new starting, just need a direction. $150, no monthly fees. Start running traffic to your capture pages, and you get a lot of capture pages. Matter of fact, I'm going to just click on one. You get a lot of capture pages ready to go. And, I like this one because it's just simple, clean, not a whole lot, doesn't say anything. You click here, opt in, then they're on your email list. And it's simply a matter of just being consistent about getting people to this page. That's where I would start. I would start at the 150 level one time and start getting traffic here until I made my first sale. Once you make your first sale, then it's like, okay, I needed 100 leads and I made one sale. Okay, so if I want another sale, it's another 100 leads. So if I want one sale a day, I need to figure out how to get 100 leads a day. Things like that. Or, a week. Make it a little bit easier. All right, 100 leads a week. I can do that. That's about 8-ish leads a day. 10 leads a day. 70. My math sucks when I'm trying to do a video. But you get the point. And I can show you how to get traffic, paid or free. So you send traffic here, you do that till you start getting your sale. Then with that money comes in, I would highly suggest getting up here to the $400 level. You send traffic to the capture page, you start making money, you save it, you get the 400 bucks, you upgrade at the six-figure library, then you start to have options. Then it's like you tell other people to do that exact same thing and you start working your way up, because that's what I did. Now, after you get to this level or above, I would highly, highly, highly suggest adding on another income stream. Why? Because not everyone on an email list is going to be interested in joining Six Figure Blueprint, but they might be interested in the multiple income funnel. And I like the multiple income funnel because it has some more social media training, some paid marketing training, and some just more things you can add to your arsenal. And this whole page right here is set up within the Six Figure Blueprint. This whole thing right here is already ready to go. And you get another hidden income stream with Udemy solo ads. So basically, if you can upgrade to this level, the $400 level, and then add on the multiple income funnel, either the monthly or the yearly. And that's step one and step two. The multiple income funnel also will get you earning multiple streams of income, get you in that mindset, and you'll start to learn email marketing. Because once you build your email list by sending traffic to this page, people put in their email address, they get on your email list, and then every single day you can go in your Six Figure Blueprint back office, email them your sales video for my Six Figure Blueprint right here. Just click on categories and go over here, click on my Six Figure Blueprint. And this page right here, this page is the page you want to email. So what I do is once a day, I'll get back in there, and one day I'll email this page. I just email this page Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I make up a schedule. The second day, after you add on the multiple income funnel, you email this page. And then you just go back and forth, 1, 2, 1, 2, alternating which pages you send your email list. And then as you join the 2 other opportunities I have within the multiple income funnel, that'll just give you more social media marketing training, more paid traffic training, more email marketing training, and that just adds to your ability to market and earn multiple income streams. Because, relying on just one thing, especially nowadays, is a no-go. So, highly suggest starting at the 150 level and Six Figure Blueprint. Okay, Kat. All right, I'm coming. Gosh. How's that for a soundbite? Anyway, Six Figure Blueprint, one time 150. Work your way up, get that $400 level. When you get to that $400 level, start using that social media marketing training, and then add in the multiple income funnel. I'll show you how to set this page up exactly for you. Get you your free Udemy account. And this whole page, the first income stream is multiple income funnel. The second one is Six Figure Blueprint, to which you should already be a member. And the third one is Udemy solo ads. Then from there, we'll scale it up. And because the other 3 opportunities are just a simple add-on, but we need to start making money first before we just start adding all of these extra things to the pot. So that being said, name Fraser here. This link will be in the description. Click on it, opt in if you want to work with me. If you're getting this video in an email, underneath this video will probably be this link or this link, whatever one I decide to put underneath there. And yeah, we'll talk to you in the next video. I'm going to feed my hungry freaking cat.